Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. But before I get started, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow very quickly. So, taking a look at XRP, we're going to jump right into this one. I just want to fill you with some optimism because I know we're still in crypto winter. So let's get going. So, we tried to tell you it was never Bitcoin. Governments are going to bring out their tanks before they give up their control of the money supply. Brad Garlinghouse said that. And then we see this. When the Ripple lawsuit ended, international banks, remittances companies, financial institutions, and private sectors will compete with you to hoard up XRP. Remember the rule of supply and demand. Congratulations to all future XRP millionaires. And that's the thing. The banks are going to want as much XRP as they can hold. And that's going to be international banks, plus banks here. And people are still going to be like, well, I should have bought before this happened. Now's the time. Now's the time to be loading up those bags. If you're a new investor, go out and get some XRP while you still can. It's going to be scarce in the future, in my opinion. The XRP tsunami wave started in Japan with SBI and now spreading across the globe. You got to understand, this was a huge news, and it didn't really get talked about. Like, you don't see it on the mainstream media. You have to find this news online, on Twitter. And then we see this. SWIFT is more than 50 years old. 2022 will be the year of our new quantum financial system. There's more volatility risk using SWIFT, over 180,000 seconds, than there is using XRP, over 3 seconds. Right there, that should tell you what's going on, why a new financial system needs to be implemented. And now you should think to yourself, well, now it's all coming together. It's almost like watching a play out. And if you're an XRP holder, you should be very excited because this play has a happy ending. Think about it like this. How many times can so many things line up perfectly when it comes to finances? It really can. I've never seen it in my lifetime. And look at it like this. Okay, you have an SEC lawsuit which comes to an end. You get regulatory clarity. Then you have Flare coming on July 4th. It connects everything. Then you have exchanges yet to relist XRP. Then on top of that, you have ISO 222 coming in November. Then you also have, on top of all of that, the new financial system that being built as we speak. And XRP is going to be the number one coin, running all the money, bank to bank. Think about it like that. How can so many things line up perfectly? It can't, unless it's all predetermined, planned out, waiting for us to sit back and watch it all play out and become super rich. Generational wealth. Then we see this. Ripple partners with Lotus Cars to bring automotive NFTs to the XRP ledger. The news goes on and on. Whether it is crypto, whether it is the metaverse, the time is now. Rosie Rios said that. Board of directors at Ripple. She knows. She knew the train had left the station. It's just a matter of the U.S. getting on board, in my opinion. So incumbents such as SWIFT are now increasingly being mentioned alongside underdog alternatives such as at Ripple. This, along with recent developments in the SEC court case, is ultimately further evidence that Ripple's future is secure. It's imminent. This is going to happen. If you're not investing in this because of an SEC lawsuit, it's almost laughable. If that's your only reason for not investing in XRP, I mean, I could show you hundreds of reasons why you should be invested. But if the one thing that's keeping you out is an SEC lawsuit, it's ridiculous. Internet of value versus store of value. And we see it right there. This is XRP and Bitcoin. Okay? Store of value, poor medium of exchange, slow transactions and high fees. Then we look at the internet of value with Ripple. Medium of exchange, source global liquidity, smart contracts, micropayments, instant cross-border settlements, security settlements, store of value, bridge currency, B2B payments, that's bank to bank. I mean, come on. And people will still argue that Bitcoin is the future, that Bitcoin's going to handle all the money. Bitcoin can barely handle anything. It's laughable. XRP never sleeps. This is the ledger that never sleeps. This is look at this right here. The ledger that never sleeps, XRP. And that's in New York City. That's an NFT. And you see it now in real world. Use case. It's going to be massive. Sailor, stop nicking my XRP narrative. Your Bitcoin don't have a use case. And that's the thing. You see Michael Saylor on Fox Business, MSNBC, and he's out there talking about how great Bitcoin's going to be, and it's going to come back, and it's going to rebound, and it's going to make millionaires. And it might. It might do that. Some people can still get rich with Bitcoin. Some people see it as a safe bet. But at the end of the day, if you want generational wealth, it's not waiting for you in Bitcoin, in my opinion. XRP will be the upgrade the whole financial industry needed. And what do we see here? SEC 1934, Bitcoin 2009, Ethereum 2015, XRP ISO 222. It's so strange how most of the people on the planet have no idea what Flare Network is. Normies, they're everywhere. If you don't know what Flare is, you got to take a look at Flare. It connects all of it. And we see it coming together with XDC and QNT. We see it coming together with Algorand bridging Bitcoin. I believe XRP and XLM are bridged together in some ways. We see the whole thing coming together, and it's about to explode. Then we see this. Flare Network, State Connector, connects everything, starting with layer ones that don't have smart contract functionality. Flare is going to give Doge a use case. It's going to give Bitcoin a use case. You're going to be able to stake assets like that and make passive income with it. Flare is going to be huge. Anybody that tells you any different is wrong. All ISO 222 coins will melt faces. XRP will be the leader. I will say it again. Price is just noise. Ripple XRP. Unstoppable. Know what you hold. 100% 2022 will be the year of XRP. And I've been saying that for a long time. People will argue with me. Oh, nothing's going to happen until Bitcoin goes off. Let me tell you something. If we go into a full-blown utility run, people that are holding Bitcoin will be crying that they never bought XRP. XRP, you will soon all learn the differences between speculation and utility, between retail and institutional investing. What you have seen in the past, XRP price chart is a joke compared to what is coming. All past charts will be unusable. And I say that a lot. So what Bitcoin Ethereum maxis don't understand is that the high price predictions of XRP are based on utility instead of market cap. Once ISO 222 goes live, the entire crypto market will function only on utility, and the crypto market will be restored. Again, I'm going to say this, and I'm going to say this because this needs to be said. I don't care what market cap says. I don't care what previous charts that were used over the past years as far as bull runs and price predictions. I don't care how many times you look at that fib scale. When it comes to utility, no one knows what value is. No one knows what the true value of XRP is going to be. No one knows the true value of any ISO 222 token. I buy a little bit of each. I diversify, and I want to have a little bit of each one. But I know they're all going to be super valuable. And when utility kicks in, you wait and see the true price of XRP. Because I believe that is what is going to melt faces. And I think it all starts in 2022. And I'm going to leave you with this. If you're not invested in XRP yet, now is the time. And if you're already invested in XRP, you already know what you hold. And you should just be accumulating as much as you can before it's too late. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.